Assalamu alaikum my dear students, how are you and good morning to everyone. Today we start the unit number 4, my point of view, subject English. We all know in the last video we discussed about the activities 6 and 7. Now I hope you also completed in your notebooks. So today we start the next activity and activity 8. What is in activity? Here in activity 8, read this interview with the Carl Sagan, a respected scientist. Already you given the pictures of Carl Sagan, who is the scientist. As he discusses his point of view on the subject of extraterrestrials life. And you know very well what is the mean by extraterrestrials. Also we write the meaning of extraterrestrials in our offline classes. And you also complete in your notebook. As you read, underline any words that are new for you. Means हम जो interview है वो पढ़ेंगे. And which word is new for you, so you underline them. After you read, ask your classmate, use a dictionary, or ask your teacher for help with the word you don't know. Help everyone in your class understand the reading. So which word it's hard for you, and if you don't know the meaning of this word, so you find out in a dictionary. Also you find out on Google's. Okay. So now we start the reading the interview with the Carl Sagan. कि द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क इंटरव्यूअर यानी कि जो इंटरव्यू लेता है वो उसको बोलते हैं इंटरव्यूअर. मीन द इंटरव्यूअर आस्क डॉक्टर सागन टू गिव हिज व्यू on the existence of unintelligent extraterrestrials and the many sightings and reports from the people who say that they have seen these beings on Earth. So here Carl Sagan said, I personally have been captured by the notion of extraterrestrials life and special extraterrestrials intelligence from childhood. I swept me up and I have been involved in the sending spacecraft to nearby planets to look for life in the radio search for extraterrestrials intelligence. Means what is the summary of the activity 8? So I say that what happened in activity 8. Means here is an interview of the Dr. Carl Sagan. And in this activity, the interviewer asked Dr. Sagan to give his views on the existence of intelligent extraterrestrials and the many sightings and reports from the people who say that they have seen extraterrestrials on the earth. Means whatever they are study on one things. We already discussed about in activity 2, 1, 2, 3 and different types of agencies also say about the one things, and also they are not identified, and that's why they given the UFO, means unidentified objects. And whatever they are observed, whatever they are think, and they give out his point of view. Here also someone said that extraterrestrials is on the earth. On this view, Dr. Sagan say about his own views. यहाँ इस एक्टिविटी में डॉक्टर सागन अपना पॉइंट व्यू बता रहा है. क्या कह रहा है कि डॉक्टर सागन से कि डॉक्टर सागन admits that since his childhood, already we discussed about we have extraterrestrials like the childhood, means intelligence from his childhood. What he said, he has been strongly fascinated by the belief of intelligent extraterrestrials life. Also he said that he has been involved in sending spacecraft to nearby planets to search life and in the radio search for extraterrestrials intelligence. Yeah, what said? Yeah, someone sent the satellite and this satellite, by satellite, the someone find out how the people do on the earth, yeah, something their survey what happen on the earth. After saying if we found intelligent life on other planet, it would be an absolutely transforming event in a human history, but the stakes are so high, or whether it's a true or false, that we must demand the more rigorous standard of evidence. What is the mean by rigorous? Mean strict standard of evidence. We have to be the very careful. We all know कि when you are say about the anything, जब हम दूसरे को कुछ बात बताएं, तो first of all we have the rigorous standards of evidence, mean strong standard of evidence. हमारे पास एकदम मजबूत evidence होना चाहिए. तो another persons understand या they are trust on us. हम देखते हैं कि हम जब कोई मुद्दा होता है, कोई लड़ाई होती है, right? Start the cases in the court में वो केस शुरू होता है. तो that's time the courts also stated कि court need the evidence, court को evidence चाहिए, सबूत चाहिए. तो अगर आपके पास strong evidence है तो आप बता सकते हो कि भाई ये यही है. They also say that Dr. Sagan कि if you have a strong एविडेंस, तो यू से टू द पीपल के व्हाट इज दिस, ये क्या है, इसके बारे में आपको स्ट्रॉन्ग एविडेंस होना चाहिए. अगर इफ यू हैव नो स्ट्रॉन्ग एविडेंस, तो यू कांट से अबाउट कि विच थिंग्स आर फ्लाइंग इन द स्काई. ऑल्सो व्हाट इज सेड, आई फ्रीक्वेंटली आस्क हाउ कुड आई सर्च फॉर द एक्स्ट्रा टेरेस्ट्रियल इंटेलिजेंस एंड दिस बिलीव दैट वी आर बीइंग विजिटेड. आई डोंट सी एनी contradiction at all. Means the idea of being visited is wonderful prospect, but require the most severe and rigorous, means again strict standards of evidence. What is said? If they are found, Dr. Sagar said that if they are found, it would be, I think, an absolutely transforming the event in human history. यानी कि human history के बारे में जानना है. But to verify their existence, more rigorous standard यानी कि more strong this standard of evidence to be the implemented. यानी कि अगर आपके पास strong desire है, strong evidence हो, यानी कि एकदम perfect evidence हो, तो आप बता सकते हो कि ये क्या है. So without strong evidence we can't say about anything. Here Dr. Sagan also said that. Again what the interviewer asked the Dr. Sagan, the interviewer asked Dr. Sagan to comment on the stories that people have told of being abducted or kidnapped by the extraterrestrials. He was asked of these people have provided the strong evidence of extraterrestrials having visited the earth. What does say here? What the interviewer asked the Dr. Sagan to comment on the story that people have told. What said कि someone abducted या someone kidnapped if the people have provided the strong evidence of their vision on the earth. यानी कि कोई किडनैप भी करने के लिए या कुछ ट्रांसपोर्शन यानी कुछ एविडेंस यानी कुछ जानने के लिए भी ये चीज छोड़ा हो कि चलो ये एक अच्छा मालदार है, ये बहुत पहचान वाला है, तो पहले उसको ऑब्जर्व करते, फिर उसके हिसाब से उसे किडनैप करते. भाई ऐसे भी कुछ हो सकता है. इंटरव्यूअर इसको पूछते हैं डॉक्टर सागन को. व्हाट द डॉक्टर सागन रिप्लाइड, the evidence is almost entirely anecdote. What is said? What is the mean by anecdote? Means a short. Here the anecdote. What is mean by anecdote? Is a short या one of funny story यानी कि एक मजाक की story. It is almost entirely anecdote. It is one type of funny story. एक funny story है ये मजाक की है. Someone says something happened to them and people can say anything. The fact that someone say something doesn't mean it true. To be taken seriously, you need the physical evidence that can be examined by skeptical scientists. So what is mean by skeptical? Skeptical means doubting that something is true या useful. अगर आपको डाउट हो कि ना ये बिल्कुल सही है, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? स्केप्टिकल साइंटिस्ट. क्या बोले? फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्या देते हैं कि स्क्रैपिंग ऑफ द होल शिप एंड द डिस्कवरी दैट इज contains element that does not exist on the earth, but there is no scrapping means on other evidence. All there are the stories, there are instead of disturbed soil, but I can disturb soil with the soil. There are instances of people claiming to the flashlight of the UFOs and UFOs flash बैक, यानी कि यूएफओ का फ्लैश लाइट यानी कि लाइट लगाई मगर वो लाइट फिर वापस आई मीन्स द यूएफओ फ्लैश back, but pilot of the airplanes can also flash back, especially they think it would be a good joke to play on the UFO identities, so that does not constitute a good evidence. What the year said when the interviewer asked the Dr. Sagar about this thing, is someone kidnapped या people को kidnap करने के लिए कुछ छुड़ा होगा, तो after what the Dr. Sagar given the reply कि what is saying कि there are many strange stories, यानी कि बहुत सारी स्टोरी है from the people about them, ऐसी बहुत सारी स्टोरी है जो people ने अपने खुद से बनाई है, so they cannot be taken as a true, वो सही नहीं है. So now to take it seriously, हमें उसको seriously लेना चाहिए because of कि physical evidence, already here say that कि physical evidence is to be examined by skeptical scientists, यानी कि ऐसी कोई भी चीज हो साइंटिस्ट उसको पूरा उसके ऊपर अभ्यास करते हैं, स्टडी करते हैं, एंड आफ्टर दे आर गिवन द रिपोर्ट, फिर वो दुनिया को दिखाते हैं, यानी कि अपना रिपोर्ट दिखाते हैं, यानी कि कोई भी साइंटिस्ट है कोई भी चीज के ऊपर पहले उसको पूरा अभ्यास करते, स्टडी करते हैं. ऑल्सो सेम थिंग कि हियर वी ऑल्सो स्टडी ऑन दिस थिंग, वी आर नॉट सी डायरेक्टली व्हाट इज दिस थिंग. सो इज वन टाइप ऑफ फनी स्टोरी, हम डायरेक्टली बता देते हैं ये फनी होता है, जॉकी होता है, तो ये कोई फनी स्टोरी नहीं है. और ऑल द साइंटिस्ट आर वर्क ऑन दिस, यानी कि जितने भी साइंटिस्ट है उसके ऊपर ये मेहनत करते हैं, यानी कि समझते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दे आर गिवन द रिपोर्ट ऑल्सो सेड कि हियर डॉक्टर सागर ऑल्सो सेड कि वी आर एग्जामाइन ऑफ दिस थिंग, हम उसको ऊपर एग्जामाइन करते हैं, यानी कि उसको ऑब्जर्व करते हैं, उसकी स्टडी करते हैं. एंड सो नाउ रिलायबल एविडेंस आर फाउंड. पीपल ऑलवेज से दैट कि इट लाइट आर फ्लैश टुवर्ड द यूएफओ, दे फ्लैश बैक, बट इवन द पायलट और एयरप्लेन ऑल्सो कुड डू दैट एज द गुड जॉक टू द प्ले. तो आई होप कि व्हाट द डॉक्टर सागन से अबाउट इन द स्टोरी, यानी कि आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि व्हाट द डॉक्टर सागन से अबाउट द यूएफओ. टुडे वी ओनली डिस्कस अबाउट द एक्टिविटी 8 and which word is hard for you, so you underline, you find the same meaning from the dictionary, yeah, on the internet, means on a Google you can find out, and by oneself you are write down. So now today we only discuss about the activity 8. So next activity we learn in a next video, and I hope you understand very well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.